Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I choose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Where can I find a notary public, and why might I need one? At some point in their lives, most people encounter an important piece of paperwork that they need to have notarized. If you've never visited a notary public before, you might be wondering what this means and where you have to go to get it done. Don't worry. It just means you'll need to get your official document reviewed and signed by an individual with the credential of notary public. There are several occasions where you may need a notary public for your business or personal purposes. Here, we will help you understand the role of a notary public, where you might be able to find the most cost-efficient notary services in your area. Common reasons why people like you may have to seek out this type of service. What is a notary public? Let's start with a simple definition to give you a concrete idea of what a notary's services entail. A notary public is a person who witnesses the signing of important documents to lend legal credibility and a more official designation. Sometimes this is required for government documents, important financial paperwork for a company, or a variety of court-appointed purposes. Some common types of documents that require notarization would include divorce papers, mortgage documents, business contracts, affidavits, deeds of trust, power of attorney transfer, and other important legal or financial situations that involve multiple parties. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. What does a notary public do? It may seem like notaries just watch people sign documents, but there is more to their role than just acting as an official witness. Otherwise, almost anyone could qualify. In fact, a notary public is required to complete a state examination to become recognized as a credentialed professional who can perform these specific services. A notary typically begins interactions with clients by verifying their identities and having a conversation about the documents they need to have signed. Depending on the types of documents that need signing, the notary may have specific questions to ensure all parties involved understand what they are signing. By asking a few simple questions, a notary can determine if the parties signing are truly aware of what they are committing their signature to. They can also tell if there is a level of pressure or duress that either person may be feeling. Situations like this can cause the notary to determine whether or not they are willing to witness the exchange of signatures. Requiring the notarization of documents helps prevent individuals from engaging in fraudulent activities. Notarization may also reduce the number of legal disputes and lawsuits that could otherwise arise without a third-party witness. How to find a notary public in your area. If you're in a situation that requires notary services, it's a good idea to look for the most cost-efficient notary near you. Many of these options may already be available in your current daily life or routine. Before you shell out your hard-earned dollars for expensive notary services, consider looking in these common places as you begin your search. Most states also have caps on the fees that notaries can charge, so be sure to check your state's notary fee structures to be certain you don't overpay. Here are a few easy places to find a notary public. Visit your bank. Most banks have employees who act as certified notaries within the scope of their professional responsibilities. And if you are a member of a particular bank, they may even offer free notary services for those who hold accounts there. Even if your bank does not provide free notary services, they might charge just a small fee for basic documents. Note: before taking out a loan or using a credit card, please confirm. When it comes to riba, it is considered haram in Islamic law. For Muslims, please see additional options for debit cards or other cards, as well as the proper procedure for obtaining a business loan. Some banks only offer notary services to their own customers and account holders. This is one way for banks to minimize their risk and consequences of possibly notarizing a fraudulent document. However, Smaller banks and credit unions typically offer less expensive notary services. Libraries and government agencies. You may also have luck finding notary services at your local library or some government offices, such as a county clerk's office. If notary services are available, these can be some of the least expensive options you'll see. To find out, simply search for local libraries or offices, and make sure to call ahead and ask about fees and availability before you go to the trouble of visiting in person. Insurance agencies and membership-based organizations. Your car or life insurance company, AAA, military offices, and real estate professionals are just a handful of other agencies and organizations that may offer notary services in your city. If you are a student, check with your university admissions office to see if they have staff that notarizes documents for students. This could come in handy for financial aid documents that they often verify. Again, remember that finding a notary doesn't mean you have to go out of your way. Start your search for a notary within the boundaries of your current daily life. Additional ways to locate notary services. If all else fails, search your local online listings for notary services. There are many individuals and businesses that earn additional revenue by notarizing documents for people like you. If you'll be traveling outside of the country, it's also a good idea to search ahead for options in case you need a notary abroad. This is just one of the many reasons it's smart to know where the U.S. Embassy or consulate is located in each country you visit. The staff there can assist you with all kinds of notary services, legal needs, and general travel questions you may have when visiting. We hope this list of ways to find a notary public helps you get what you need in the most convenient way possible. Notary services are an essential part of signing official documents at important moments throughout your business career and personal life, and it doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to get this help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own limited liability company in the state of West Virginia in 2024. This screen record I'll show, for example, like any state so that you can understand the whole process. That's why it will be shorter. So, I'm going to take you through the process step by step. Okay, so let's get started. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service, which no other company offers. After clicking the link in the description, you will land on this page. Hover your mouse over the Services section, and then click on the Form an LLC button. After that, click on the Start Now button, and from here the formation process begins. On the next page, select LLC as your entity type, and in the State of Formation option, I'm going to select West Virginia. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $125 in all the packages. BZ is not making any income on that. That is the state getting their filing fee. Like other states, West Virginia also has 3 different plans, which are Basic, Standard, and Premium, and the price of the 3 packages is different, which I'm going to explain why. Basic package is the cheapest option out of the three, and this is the package where Busy charges $0 for their service. If you select this option, you simply need to pay the $125 state filing fee that you have to pay anyway if you file manually. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email. Next is the standard package, which costs $199, and this is the package I highly recommend everyone to grab because it basically covers everything you will need to start a business legally. This package includes everything from the basic package plus other services like providing and filing EIN, which is a business tax number, operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553, etc. So one way or another, you are going to need these services. The premium package costs $299 and is the most expensive one out of the three because it includes 3 extra services: free next day filing, business contract templates, and domain name plus business email. These services are like a cherry on top, which will help you to complete your LLC filing faster. So, if you are in a hurry and want to complete your LLC filing as soon as possible, then you can choose this package. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. I will just type the name that I used to file an LLC before and select LLC as a designator. Below, Busy will show you how your LLC name will be displayed officially. Below, Busy is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here and click on Next. In the next section, they will ask you whether you want an expedited filing service or not, which I already talked about previously. In the next section, Busy will ask you to provide the personal information of the person who will be responsible for this LLC. For the sake of creating this video, I will just provide random personal information, but remember, you should always use your own verified information when completing this form. In the next section, you will see Busy will ask you whether you want to use their professional business address or your own business address. In the next part, provide the mailing address of the responsible person of the LLC. Remember, a P.O. box is not allowed in this case. It should be a verified address. In the next section, Busy will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video. After that, Busy will show you as a member in this section. Then select your name as a member, and use Busy's virtual office address as your business address. You can click on the Next button. After that, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. So, I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In the next section, Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. And this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. But if you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, Busy will be asking you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by Busy, and click on Next. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of Relay, which I previously explained in the beginning. But for the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes button and proceed to the next step. Next, Busy will ask you whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help make this clear how to run and operate an LLC and how to file taxes and lots of other things. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is about, Busy will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits or not. The cost of these 2 licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where Busy will do additional research on your behalf. After that, Busy will show you your total due amount. Once you are done with the payment, they will start processing your order, and you will receive your LLC formation documents within 3 days to 6 weeks depending on your package type. So for just $601 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of West Virginia using Busy.